Have you ever felt trapped by your emotions, like you're stuck in a loop of stress, anger, or sadness that seems impossible to break free from? If yes, The Emotional Reset is the book you need. Today, we're diving deep into its transformative teachings and practical techniques to help you regain control of your emotional well-being. Understanding emotional patterns. Emotions aren't just random. They're patterns formed by our past experiences and the way our brain is wired. The book explains that these patterns influence everything: our reactions, decisions, and even our physical health. Think about a time when someone cut you off in traffic. Did you react with anger or let it slide? That immediate reaction is your emotional pattern at work. The first step to resetting your emotions is recognizing these patterns. The author suggests keeping a journal to track moments when you feel overwhelmed. This awareness is the foundation of emotional reset. The Emotional Reset Framework. The book provides a simple yet powerful framework. Recognize, release, and reframe. Recognize your emotions without judgment to. Release pent-up feelings using techniques like deep breathing or meditation. Reframe your thoughts. For example, instead of thinking, "I failed because I'm not good enough," reframe it as, "I learned what doesn't work, and I can try again." And these steps create a mindset shift, helping you break free from negative thought patterns. The science of emotional resilience. Our brain's emotional center, the amygdala, often overpowers the rational prefrontal cortex when we're stressed. The book emphasizes mindfulness as a way to calm this emotional hijack. A simple gratitude exercise can rewire your brain. Spend just 5 minutes daily listing 3 things you're grateful for. This strengthens neural pathways for positivity. Rewiring emotional responses. The author explains that we can rewire emotional responses through cognitive behavioral techniques, CBT, mindfulness, and emotional detachment. By practicing these, you can observe emotions as temporary, instead of letting them define you. Imagine staying calm in a heated argument, not because you suppress your feelings, but because you've mastered them. That's the power of an emotional reset. Detoxing negative emotions. Negative emotions like anger and guilt can weigh you down. The book recommends techniques like writing a release journal to vent emotions, talking to a trusted friend, and physical activities like yoga to process feelings stored in your body. Remember, holding on to negative emotions is like drinking poison and expecting someone else to suffer. Let it go. Building an emotionally resilient lifestyle. Your lifestyle plays a crucial role in emotional health. The book outlines key habits: 1 adequate sleep, 2 balanced nutrition, 3 regular exercise, and 4 building positive relationships. Even a digital detox, limiting your time on social media, can make a big difference in reducing emotional triggers. The Emotional Reset is more than just a book. It's a toolkit for emotional mastery. By recognizing your patterns, releasing negativity, and reframing your mindset, you can reset your emotions and live a balanced, fulfilling life. If you're ready to take control of your emotions and reset your life, this book is a must-read. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such life-changing book summaries. See you in the next video.